So people always ask me, Brandon, should I keep my insurance that I have through work? And my answer to them 9 times out of 10 is absolutely. You should always keep your life insurance through work, especially if it's part of a group rate. What that means is that when it's part of a group rate, it's typically a lot cheaper than it would be if you were getting it as an individual. Now, what people need to understand is that just because you have life insurance through work does not mean that you have everything that you need. What happens is when you retire, you're fired, the company goes under, or anything happens and you ever leave that job for whatever reason, then that insurance typically stays with that company. And so what I recommend to anybody that has life insurance through work is that you have something permanent outside of work to make sure that when you do leave that job, or you retire, or you quit, or you're fired, that you have something put in place outside of that. Now, the other side of that is that, if you have insurance through work, you go 10, 20, 30, 40 years, you leave your job, you quit your job, you're fired from your job, or you retire from your job and you lose those benefits. Well, what happens is now you're that much older, and so then you have to apply for insurance at that age, at that health condition. You may not even qualify, and if you do, it's going to be astronomically expensive. It's going to be a lot more expensive than it would have been if you would have got the insurance 10, 20, 30, 40 years ago. So my recommendation is to make sure that you have insurance outside of work, permanent insurance outside of work, term insurance outside of work. We're going to be going over additional videos of different types of life insurance, what type of life insurance may be good for you, and just explain everything about life insurance and how it works so that you know what would be a good fit for you. For more information, please continue to follow along. If you have any questions, send me a DM. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.